First, you will need watercolor paper, paintbrushes of your choice, and tissue paper because I always make a mess. Watercolors, or here I'm using these brush pens that can be blended out easily. Some sparkles of course, and let's get drawing. Start by coating the paper with a bit of water, then add colors of your choice. I like to use squiggly or curvy lines for this process because it gives a more cloudy effect when blended out. Make sure to blend using circular motions to avoid harsh lines. You can do this process quite casually, but make sure to avoid straight and angled lines. Keep in mind though to make the first layer of colors soft and light, then add darker colors to areas where you want to darken, because the darker colors can be hard to blend out and the lighter colors need some space to show through. As you can see, I am darkening my painting with a cobalt blue and an eggplant color, working gradually in sessions, then blending them out in circular motions. I am planning on drawing clouds underneath, so I'm leaving the bottom part blank. Blending out the harsh lines, then using what's left on the brush to fill in the clouds. Then I blot out the colors by using a crumpled piece of tissue paper. I shear out the colors by applying it with my water brush, but if you are using regular watercolors, just add more water for the same effect. Going in directly with a brush pen makes it really hard to blend out, but by adding a lot of water and blotting them out with tissue paper, you can still fix it. I just won't recommend doing it this way. After you're happy with the colors, use a white gel pen to add stars. Silver and gold also looks good too. I really don't like this gel pen because it's not pigmented and really hard to work with. Add glitter of your choice. I am using this random glitter eyeliner, which I find pretty easy to use. Liquid eyeshadow also works pretty well. Just make sure it doesn't have a strong undertone. So you see, that's why I love makeup. Adding some finishing touches. So you can stop here, but I decided to add a quote. Because of all the glitter underneath, I can't do a pencil underdrawing, so I have to go in freehand, which is one of the low-key scariest thing I've ever done. Going in a second time to make it more opaque. Adding a bit of glow with a white marker. You can always shear out the color by going over it with water. Here I'm adding tiny stars and moons. These are actually nail art supplies. Adding a bit of drop shadow for the finishing touch. And we're done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!